He's my friend.
Gratifying to know that when we send the SOS calls to communities, to business organizations, and to NGOs and interest groups like yourselves, people are ready to come on board and help us. Honorable Dr. Copeland, I want to commend you. Many are the times that we sit back when we have a problem as members of parliament and we expect everything to be done by government. But that should not be the case. We as representatives of our people, we should take a keen interest in the afflictions that our people are going through. We should take initiatives such as this to reach out to organizations that we belong to organizations that we work with, so that indeed people can be assisted and helped. Yes, as you alluded to, the flooding this year was very, very severe. It was very severe, covering all the 12 districts of Luapula province. And over 68,000 households were affected by the floods.
Result of a positive response to a request that I made to Governor Sanje after I realized what had happened to Chembe during the just ended rainy season. The floods were so high, so many houses were lost. Many of you will remember that I was here and I saw the situation, and I said to myself, while DMMU could help us, like they did indeed, the first place I ran to was DMMU, and DMMU within 4 days of request were here and brought some support. I felt, as a member and part of the Lions family, I have family that can also support me to add on to what the government is doing for the people of Chembe, while the government is also looking at other parts of the country. The entire Luapula province, I believe, Honorable Minister, had been affected by the flood.
Donation worth nearly 200,000 was made possible by a grant from Lions Club International Foundation, and this is a charity wing for our district, Zambia Lions. Today's donation includes blanket, mosquito nets, chlorine, foodstuff, etc. We anticipate to support in excess of more than 200 families and households. One more thing, that the disaster is happening when the world is suffering from the COVID-19 pandemic is most tragic.